see. Okay, Facebook is good to go. It looks like YouTube is online. We're just waiting on Twitch now. Alright. So it looks like everything's online. Hey Milo. This is Milo, by the way. This is one of my other cats. Let's see. I'm gonna just start bringing stuff in the back up and then reposting to Facebook, all of that good stuff. I have a couple of things running here in the background as well. Hey, you two, quit it. So apparently the dogs are being promiscuous tonight. That's not the right word at all. But give me a second. Olive, yogurt. It's the last one of these, you two. Sit. Apparently all the animals want to be here. Because this is Odin. Yeah, apparently they all want to show up today. They're all wild in right now, I guess. Alright, so let me get everything set up in the background. Share this post to my page. And also, y'all, I'm going to be eating during my live stream. Sorry. I'm just hungry and I haven't ate all day. I've been actually cleaning all day. So I just was like, I need to eat. So I ate. I didn't eat. So I cooked right after I got done showering tonight. So there's that. Share to a page. It takes me a second to get this all set up. I know for a fact that somehow I do not. You made me look though, so good for you. Good on you. You made me look. I was like, oh no, I hope I don't. But no, I don't. Yeah, no. Yeah, low-key, you did get me, though. I was like, oh, crap. I was like, do I actually have something up that I shouldn't? But, yeah. So, give me a little bit. I'm just kind of setting everything up as typical. Mocha S. What you mean by that, Logan? I don't know why I can't customize these titles before I go live. Maybe I can for most of them. Oh, somebody subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Within the past, 5 minutes. Yep. Got him. Got him. Okay. I'm installing it now, Logan. Thank you. Share that. I'm sharing my live stream. Not now. What? Okay. I don't know why, but apparently Facebook just doesn't like me all that much, so I woke up my neighbors. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry you were on. Oh! Install that. Okay. I didn't even start installing the other one. Oh, thanks for tuning in. I'm eating too. I made some tacos. It's a mess on my plate. I've ate half of it, actually, exactly, since I've started, or since I made it. How do I, there it is. So how's everybody been? How has the past day or two been? Like I said, I've been just cleaning I just cleaned all day. I cleaned and I did laundry, which I freaking hate. I absolutely hate laundry. I hate, I don't mind cleaning. I like cleaning actually. I just hate doing laundry. I don't know what it is, but I think it's because I don't have any laundry, like a washer and dryer in my room, in my apartment. So that being said, I have to carry everything downstairs, and yeah, shit gets heavy. Let's see. Oh gosh. Do we see some code today? Yes, hopefully. I'm looking into TensorFlow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll eat on stream. I'm sorry, I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, so sorry. Literally the only thing I'm running on is caffeine right now. Math lunch stream. False god. Made Instagram. Oh my gosh. Do not mind sweeping. Yeah. Sweeping isn't bad. I mopped, I vacuumed, I did my clothes, folded my clothes, put all them up, cooked. Yeah, cleaned my kitchen. All that good stuff. Okay, save that. Save those changes. We're good there. Let me add the extension to my browser. Okay, let me see. Let me make sure my live stream. I don't know what it is about freaking Facebook. Facebook has been tweaking on me. I don't know if it's been tweaking for you guys, but it's been tweaking for me. Excuse me. Oh, that's why. I'm gonna have to fix that. But that's fine. Share to a page. Yeah, this takes me entirely way too long to set up. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. That's not what I wanted to paste. Let me go back to my YouTube page. Let's see. What's up in the chat? I bet some cleaning. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. It's always good to clean. It always feels good to clean for me, at least. Because, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Let's see. Okay, so edit video. There we go. Oh, I have this saved on my computer. I could have just pulled it up. Today, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dive in and start using the TensorFlow API key in code. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Have fun. Let's see. Okay, I think we're good. I really do now. Alright, oh, I forgot to share on Facebook. Share. That should be good now, not now. Should be posting to my page. Okay. So, I really hate how Facebook has their UI, or not even UI, it's buggy. Everything on Facebook is buggy. Really. I hate it. Alright, delete. Delete. I just want to delete it. Here's my phone. Alright. Cool. Alrighty, it looks looks like we're good to go. Everybody, yep, I think I have everything good to go. Alright, I'm going to see if I can log into Coursera, and yeah, because I have a course that came recommended to me today from the lovely Amana. He shared some information that he got during a, whatchamacallit, a JavaScript conference. Yeah, he shared that with me, so it's dope. Okay. I want to learn TensorFlow. I just don't remember, I don't know which course it actually was. Let me go back into my Gmail. Coursera. There we go. Open link, a new tab. Perfect. Ooh, I even get a certificate from the Coursera one. It's only 18 hours too. That's not too bad. I'm gonna enroll. I just don't want to put my credit card information in. Well, I'll think about it. I should just get it and then cancel it before my 7 days is up. But you never know what's going to happen. I may forget. Alright. So this is the image classifier. I just opened up a whole bunch of the... I don't know why that just did that. I just opened up a whole bunch of the links that Amana sent to me. And yeah, this is where I am at. Oh man. I could have swore I had grabbed a fork. Give me 1 second. I will be right back. I'm going to grab a fork because these tacos are a little messy. And yeah, the insides keeps falling out. So give me a second. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. My bad. Hey, Abdullah, what's good? What's up? Alright. Ooh, this would be fun to mess around with, but I don't want to mess around with imaging right now. I want to do text. Alright, so let's take a look. Okay, that's a cool UI, though. Like, you gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Wow. I'm pretty good. I've been cleaning all day. I had to go do laundry and all that, so I'm tired, but I'm good. I'm eating now. We're good. So. I made some corn salsa tacos. They're really good. I swear, it sounds like she's ripping something, but it's the chew thing I gave to her. It sounds like paper. Alright. So let's just take a look at the API. Excuse me. Ooh, some of the spices didn't go down right. Alright. Alright. Sorry. I'm not really sorry, though. Let me do this. So, first, from yesterday, what I was being told, I might have to, look into data science first. Okay. How do I want to do this? There's just too many unknowns right now that I'm not 100% sure where to start. I was starting with natural language processing because I found a library for it, but now that's kind of gone out the window. Okay, so let's figure out what TensorFlow can do. I don't feel like going through the docs right this very second. Excuse me. Alright, what did I bookmark yesterday? What? Oh my god. I need to freaking erase all of this. Bookmarks. No. No. What the hell? I had all these bookmarks. There they are. I don't know why they got... Whatever. Sorry, I just hit my mic. But yeah, whatever. It is what it is, I guess. Also, guys, I don't think I'm gonna stay on too long today. I think I'm only gonna be on for about an hour. I appreciate I appreciate those of you that are here. I'm really tired today. I did a lot, but I don't want to do too much more. I just kind of want to sit down and rest, because I did do a lot, and I did clean a lot, so I probably won't stay on too long today. I say I'm only going to stay on for about an hour, but watch, it's going to be a lot longer. Oh, shoot. Okay. Text. This sounds promising. Okay. But this is in Python. Alright. TensorFlow for JavaScript. There we go. Run existing models, retrain existing models, and develop ML with JavaScript. Build and train models directly in JavaScript using flexible and intuitive APIs. Retrain pre-existing ML models using your own data. Let's try that. So it's only image and audio. This here. Fit a curve to a two-dimensional data. Recognize handwritten digits with CNNs. Predict baseball pitch types with Node.js. Build text later. When in doubt, guys, just Google. There we go. Alright. So, initialization. All right, so step 2, the translator model. So we can fetch, okay. So here's the thing. That's not what I want to do. There we go. So I think this is just going to be have to be in Python because I want to try TensorFlow.js, but the thing is, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna watch this video in the other tab because I don't know if I can actually watch this YouTube video on stream, which I doubt that I can. But I'll play it. So you guys can hear.
All right. Hi, everyone. Thanks for coming today. My name is Daniel.
My name is Nikhil.
We're from the Google Brain team. And today, we're delighted to talk about JavaScript. So Python has been one of the mainstream languages for scientific computing. And it's been like that for a while. And there's a lot of tools and libraries around Python. But it's that where it ends. We're here today to convince you that JavaScript and the browser have a lot to offer. And TensorFlow Playground is a great example of that. I'm curious, how many people have seen TensorFlow Playground before? Oh, wow, quite a few. I'm very glad. So for those of you that haven't seen it, you can check it out after our talk at playground.tensorflow.org. It is an in-browser visualization of a small neural network. And it shows in real time all the internals of the network as it's training. And this was a lot of fun to make and had a huge educational success. We've been getting emails from high schools and universities that have been using this to teach students about machine learning. After we launched Playground, we were wondering, why was it so successful? And we think one big reason was because it was in the browser. And the browser is this unique platform where the things you build, you can share with anyone with just a link. And those people that open your app don't have to install any drivers or any software. It just works. Another thing is the browser is highly interactive. And so the user is going to be engaged with whatever you're building. Another big thing is that browsers, we didn't take advantage of this in the Playground, but browsers have access to sensors, like the microphone and the camera and the accelerometer. And all of these sensors are behind standardized APIs that work on all browsers. And the last thing, the most important thing, is the data that comes from these sensors doesn't ever have to leave the client. You don't have to upload anything to the server, which preserves privacy. Now, the Playground that we built is powered by a small neural network, 300 lines of vanilla JavaScript, that we wrote as a one-off library. It doesn't scale, it's just simple for loops, and it wasn't engineered to be reusable. But it was clear to us that if we were to open the door for people to merge machine learning and the browser, we had to build a library. And we did it. We released DeepLearn.js, a JavaScript library that is GPU accelerated, and it does that via WebGL, which is a standard in the browser that allows you to render 3D graphics. We utilize it to do linear algebra for us. And DeepLearn.js allows you to both run inference in the browser and training entirely in the browser. When we released it, we had an incredible momentum. The community took DeepLearn.js and took existing models in Python and ported it into the browser and built interactive, fun things with it. So one example is the style transfer. Another person ported a character RNN and then built a novel interface that allows you to explore all the different possible endings of a sentence, all generated by the model in real time. Another example is a font generative model. There was a post about this, the person that built it allowed users to explore the hidden dimensions, the interesting dimensions in the embedding space. And you can see how they relate to boldness and slantedness of the font. And there was even educational examples like Teachable Machine that built this fun little game that taught people how computer vision models work so people could interact directly with the webcam. Now, all the examples I showed you point to the incredible momentum we have with DeepLearn.js. And building on that momentum, we're very excited today to announce that DeepLearn.js is joining the TensorFlow family. And with that, we are releasing a new ecosystem of libraries and tools for machine learning with JavaScript called TensorFlow.js. Now, before we get into the details, I want to go over 3 main use cases of how you can use TensorFlow.js today with the tools and libraries that we're releasing. So one use case is you can write models directly in the browser, and this has huge educational implications. Think of the Playground that I just showed. A second use case is, a major use case, is you can take a pre-existing model, pre-trained model in Python, use a script, and you can import it into the browser to do inference. And a related use case is the same model that you take to do inference, you can retrain it, potentially with private data that comes from those sensors of the browser, in the browser itself. Now, to give you more of a schematic view, we have the browser that utilizes WebGL to do fast linear algebra. On top of it, TensorFlow.js has 2 sets of APIs, the Ops API, which used to be DeepLearn.js, and we worked hard to align the API with TensorFlow Python. It is powered by an automatic differentiation library that is built analogous to eager mode. And on top of that, we have a high-level API, layers API, that allow you to use best practices and high-level building blocks to write models. What I'm also very excited today to announce is that we're releasing tools that can take an existing Keras model or TensorFlow safe model and port it automatically for execution in the browser. Now, to show you an example of our API, we're going to go over a small program that tries to learn the coefficients of a quadratic function. So the coefficients we're trying to learn are A, B, and C from data. So we have our import TIA from TensorFlow.js. For those of you that don't know, this is a standard ES6 import in JavaScript, very common. We have our 3 tensors, A, B, and C. We mark them as variables, which means that they're mutable, and the optimizer can change them. We have our f of x function that does the polynomial computation. You can see here familiar API like tf_add and tf_square, like TensorFlow. In addition to that API, we also have a chaining API, which allows you to call these math operations on tensors itself. And this leads to better readable code that is closer to how we write math. Chaining is very popular in JavaScript world. So that's the feed-forward part of the model. Now, for the training part, we need a loss function. So here is a loss function that is just a mean-squared error between the prediction and the label. We have our optimizer, an edge of the optimizer, and we train the model. We call optimizer.minimize for some number of epochs. And here I want to emphasize, for those of you that have used the figure before, or the talk before us, Alex's talk, the API in TensorFlow.js is aligned with the eager API in Python. All right, so clearly that's not how most people write machine learning, because those low-level linear algebra ops can be quite verbose. And for that, we have our layers API. And to show you an example of that, we're going to build a recurrent neural network that learns to sum two numbers. But the complicated part is that those numbers, like the number 90 plus 10, are being fed character by character, and then the neural network has to maintain an internal state with an LSTM cell. That state then gets passed into a decoder, and then the decoder has to output 100 character by character. So it's a sequence-to-sequence model. Now, this may sound a little complicated, but with the layers API, it's not that much lines of code. We have our import TF from TensorFlow.js. We have our sequential model, which just means it's a stack of layers. For those of you that are familiar with TF layers in Python or Keras, this API looks very familiar. We have the first two layers are the encoder, the last three layers are the decoder, and that's our model. We then compile it with a loss, an optimizer, and a metric we want to monitor, like accuracy, and we call model.fit with our data. Now, what I want to point out here is the await keyword. So model.fit is an asynchronous call, which means, because in practice that can take about 30 or 40 seconds in a browser. And in those 30 or 40 seconds, you don't want the main UI thread of the browser to be locked. And this is why you get a callback with a history object after that's done, and in between, the GPU is going to do the work.
So right now, we're making a Twitter translator. This is a project that David, Logan, and Amanath are on as well. We're making a Twitter translator, basically taking user input. So like, say, Abdullah, if you want to type in if you want to type in something you want to be translated into the way I talk based on my tweets, we could do that. So we're kind of trying to figure out what we should do, if that makes sense. Like, what libraries we should use, how we start, what we need, all of that good stuff. We have a pretty good understanding of what we need and where to get it. It's just the whole getting there process. So I'm actually currently learning oh my gosh, natural language processing and machine learning. But anyways, I'm just watching this YouTube video. It's TensorFlow. It's from TensorFlow. I'll drop the link in the comment section. Amanath forwarded this to me. Let me do it on my live as well. Amanath forwarded this YouTube video to me. He got it from one of the JavaScript conventions that they were having, conferences. That's what they're called, conferences. So he forwarded this info to me earlier after our call for planning the live calls. So, yeah.
The code I showed you is when you are trying to write models directly, when you want to write models directly in the browser. But as I said before, a major use case, even with DeepLearn.js, was people importing models that were pre-trained and they just want to do inference in the browser. And before we jump into the details of that, I want to show you a fun little game that our friends at Google Brand Studio built that takes advantage of an automatically pre-trained model ported into the browser. And the game's called Emoji Scavenger Hunt. And the way it works, I'm going to show you here a real demo with the phone. It's in the browser. Let me see. Can I see here? So you can see I have a Chrome browser open up on a Pixel phone. You can see the URL on the top. And the game uses the webcam and shows me an emoji. And then I have some number of seconds to find the real version item of that emoji before the time runs out. So before we play, Nikhil here is going to help me identify the objects that this game asks. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Right, watch. You have watch?
I have watch.
Did I spot a velvet?
Come on. Woo!
Hey,
Yay,
watch.
we got that. Let's see what our next item is. Shoe. You
I think
gotta
I
help
saw
me
a
out here,
wolf.
buddy.
Did I spot a
Oh
snake?
yeah.
Hey, you
Woo,
found
we got the shoe.
All right, what's next?
Let's see. Yeah.
Right,
Do
lots of
I
banana.
A banana?
Yes,
Does anyone have a banana? This guy's got a banana.
Oh, what? Come over
This
here,
guy's got a
man.
banana.
Come over here.
Am I seeing a wolf?
Yay!
All right.
All right, look at us.
Ready.
We have a high score here. Beer.
Could that be a
Yeah,
hat?
it's 10:30 in the morning, Daniel.
Did I spot a velvet?
Let's get back to the talk.
All right.
I think I saw a milk can.
It showed a beer. So, from what I'm seeing, at least so far,
The next piece is that we actually convert it to the web. Today, we're releasing a pip package. It's TensorFlow.js. You can install that there. There's a script in there that lets you point to your TensorFlow save model and point to an output directory. And that output directory will be where those static build artifacts will go for the web. Keras is the same exact flow. Point to your HTML5 input, and you have an output directory where those build artifacts will go.
okay, so far it looks like it. Hold on. What? Anyways, so far it looks like it's not going to be able to be used for text is what I'm seeing, and I might have to do Python still, which is fine. I'm just trying to figure out which dang language I need to do. But yeah. So let's see. Excuse me. Okay. So here's my thing. I want to try to be able to use something that... Okay. So I guess what I really need to do first is gather the information from Twitter. So let's do that. Let's go to twitter.com. I think it's /dev. Okay. That's not my number, but okay. Twitter dev. Oh, I meant V, not C. Whatever. It's the first one. As you can see, my accuracy is not the best. Except, let's get started. So let's create an app. Oh crap, that's right. I forgot about this. So for this, you need to have a website URL. Can I just put my GitHub as my website URL? Would that work? Anyways, sorry guys. I am a little bit low energy today. Again, like I said, it's probably because I was cleaning the entire day. But I still wanted to hop on and do this because, yeah, positive peer pressure, you know? Let's see, will that work? No, I don't want any of that. Callback URLs. I don't want any of that. I don't need to put that. So app name, Twitter translator. By the way, for anybody out there looking to use Twitter's API, don't if you don't have to. It's literally the most painful thing to have to try to get, get a actual API key and get approved for a key, because you have to submit an application to the developer team at Twitter, and they have to approve everything. So anyways, and then they email you asking you the same exact damn questions that are in the actual application itself. It's annoying. So Twitter, you're probably not gonna see this, and you probably don't care, but make your API easier to use and faster to actually get an API key, because 2 weeks is ridiculous to wait for an API key. Google does it in less time. Okay? Anyways, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Sorry, I go on little rants sometimes, and it's fine. It's all fine. This is fine. It's fine. Description of my app. We'll take user input and translate into a selected user's way of selected user's pattern of speech into a selected user's pattern of speech determined by a programmed AI. That works, right? Anyways, that's what we're gonna say. Tell us how this app will be used. I'm just gonna copy and paste because why not? So sensitive information. Okay. Government use and surveillance. Okay, doesn't matter. Automation. If your ass. I just said ass. Oh, Jesus, Kiska. If your app, APP, not ASS, will be used to post tweets, follow accounts, or send DMs. Yeah, no, we're not doing any of that, so we're good. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna do my face only cam. If it wants to come up or not, then I'm just gonna turn off my display capture real quick. Okay, keys and tokens. There we go. I'm gonna control copy those. Permissions, read and write. Alright, so we're good to go. I can go and display this again. We have post. No, dude. I'm sorry, I know that's your spot, but Mom has a drink over there. We have Postman installed, right? I think I downloaded that yesterday. Not 100% sure. I want to see how to use it and what the API returns. I'm going to have to submit my whatchamacallit? My API key through here, so I might have to figure out a way to crop it out or yeah, do something. I'll figure it out. Okay. Why is my computer acting up? I probably need to restart it. Alright. Whew. I keep swallowing the spices wrong. Does that ever happen to anybody else where like the spice kind of gets caught in your throat when you're eating something spicy? And like the powder isn't like fully dissolved because I put what, cayenne and paprika in my little salsa I made. Pretty good. I wouldn't even call it a salsa. I would call it more like a pico de gallo. Just without any green onions, I guess. It's still pretty damn good though. It was really good. Okay. I was gonna go Twitter. Okay, well, we are now frozen. My computer is not liking me today. API. Docs. So, I don't know if anybody's watched Naruto before, which I'm sure most of you have, but I was watching it yesterday, rewatching it, and in like the third or fourth episode, it's like pretty early on, Sakura goes, I don't understand. Oh, hungry now. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I know it's gonna make some people hungry. It's pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I did cook that. Like that came out pretty damn good. I'm gonna have to make those. Not remake them, but I think I'm gonna make them again. And when I make them, I'm gonna make the frijoles by themselves, and I'm gonna home make them like throughout the day with like bacon and a little bit of green onion, some chives. I think it would taste really good that way. So we'll go. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe throw an avocado in there too. And then make these tacos again, because this is actually really dang good. So yeah, I'll definitely remake these, but put my own little spin on them. Because the way I made them was from like an actual recipe card. But yeah. But anyways, back to what I was saying about Naruto. Like, Sakura said, like, in the second or third episode, she goes, I don't understand. She goes, like, I don't understand. I passed, but all I did was scream and cry. I was like, guys, she's self-aware. She's self-aware. As soon as I heard her voice come out of my TV, I was like, oh, this is why I never wanted to watch Naruto. Like, not never wanted to watch it, but I didn't want to rewatch it. It was just because of her alone. I do not like her. I don't like Sakura. And if you like her, I apologize, but like, I don't like her at all. Anyways, let's get back on topic here, because, you know, Kiska can go off on tangents all day long if you allow me to. Yeah, and y'all, I'll probably get off, pretty early in comparison to other days. I'm sitting here and I can feel my eyes getting heavy, especially now that I've ate a little bit. And I know I'm gonna eat this third taco that I've made, so yeah. It's good, but it's also like giving me the itis. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check Twitter's API and see like how I can get the tweets. Excuse me. Build personalized customer experience with our DM platform. Huh, good to know. Didn't know that was a thing. Search tweets. Use search API to find historical tweets. Free enterprise version available. Add API. Stay informed. Account activity. Filter real-time tweets. Let's see. Because that might be what we need. I think this is what we need from their documentation. Okay, cool. I just want standard. Yeah. Alright, so statuses / filter. Response format is JSON. Requires authentication, yes. Rate limited, yes. Alright, so your parameters are name, the follow, track, locations, delimited, and warnings. Example, request. Okay. Resource URL. Does anybody get upset when... What is it? What is my username? I think it's Sanchez Kiska. Does anybody get upset when the docs are just not good documents? Because I do. Hey, how are you? Did you get your food? Only always. Yes, thank you. I hate crappy docs. But yeah. Maybe I'm just not looking in the right place, but this is pretty shitty. Like, whatever. Power track. Because it shouldn't be a post method, it should be a get. That I do know. Okay, hold on. Let's just go use Twitter. I don't even know what I just pulled up. API to retrieve. To get tweets. There we go. App dashboard. Okay. Copy the values and okay. There we go. The way that they had that set up earlier just was not cutting it for me. I don't know. Somebody needs to come and fix this over here. They need to be more clear. Because I was in like a different spot. But I don't know. Sorry. There's like a little gnat in here. But let's just agree that Twitter's UI right now is not the best, and just move on because yeah. All right. ID, text, create art, language, storage, matrix, and field. Which means you need to generate a bearer token and pass this token to your request. I think I have one of those. I'm gonna just bring this up in my second screen so you guys can't see it because yeah, no. Okay, so I have an access token and an access token secret. Cool. Let's see. Generate a bearer token. What is a bearer token? Allows developers to have a more secure point of entry for using Twitter's API and one of the core features of OAuth 2. Find consumer API keys. Okay, yes. So, enter your command line after making changes to the following consumer API keys previously obtained from your Twitter app. Alright. So, I'm going to do this in my second screen here. What is it? Commands line. See, I wasn't crazy. There was a node command prompt. I knew I wasn't crazy because the other day I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. So, found it. Anyways. I'm copying it and no. Let's see. Control V. Okay. So let's just open up this here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is do this in the second screen. Okay. Everything just closed on me. I don't know what the hell is going on right now, but something's going on and my computer just doesn't like me, but it's fine. I mean, I did replace it with my MacBook, and now my MacBook can't stream, so I'm back to using it. So now this old laptop. So I'm more than sure it's just upset with me for that reason. But you know, you never know. Alright. So let's go change the API key. Control V. And then let's do the API secret. And then there's the API secret. For those of you who don't know, sometimes APIs have API secret keys as well. It's just like a more secure way to make API calls. There's more, what is it? It's just higher security. It's kind of like a two-factor authentication. Okay, so something's not working. And I don't know why. I have a feeling it has something to do with curl. So let me take a look here. Let me see if I have to download anything. I would assume that I do. And I'm just was a dumbass that didn't do that. Because story of my life. let's see. Actually, I can use this over here in this screen now. Sorry, y'all. Just definitely don't need that API key and that API secret token getting out. But yeah. I mean, I'll download it again. I would assume that it's already downloaded, but whatever. Jeez. Anyways, let's just scroll up. IBM, okay. I'm just gonna use the download wizard, so I think I just need that. I need a 64-bit. Show, yeah, let's just generic. I don't need nothing fancy. Independent curl executable. Okay, this package is type curl executable. Alright, I'm just gonna use this one. Why not? Curl for 64-bit. Alright, so now let's see. Can I execute my code now? There we go. Alright. So, let's go back to Google Docs. Oh, shoot. They have it in Postman. Open Postman, yes. I already have Postman open. Come on, open in Postman, dude. Sorry. Okay, there we go. It's importing in Postman. I get kind of whiny when I'm tired, so I apologize. Especially when things don't go my way. I have a bitch fit. A total BF. My sister loves it when I do that. Oh my god. Oh, shoot. Yep. I'm going to see... What's going on? Why is it not coming up in Postman? Alright. Oh geez, okay. So to run this example you will need to add consumer C, okay. Navigate to, yeah, yep, got it. What? Okay. They even have a util file. Wow. Okay. IDs. Okay. Consumer secret. OAuth. Token and all that good stuff. Tweet response. So this is how it's going to look. Okay. Let's see. URLs. Status 200, start 198. Hi, yogurt. That's yogurt, by the way. Typically it's Olive who jumps up, but I guess yogurt wanted to get into the video today. So, here we are. Replace, okay. Let's see. Sample stream. Okay, cool. So tweets and users. Single user by ID. Okay. So single user by username. That's what I want. Hi, yogurt. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Olive. Hi, other pretty girl. Get your nose away from my food. You know better than that. No, ma'am. Sit your ass back down. Sit. Sorry, I'm cussing a lot today. I need to calm down. But yeah, no. Olive almost stole my taco. She would have got a whooping. Dang dog. Love her though. Love her, but God. Okay. User by username. Username. Alright, so let's go into our actual Twitter. And let's get Donald Trump's tweets. Excuse me. Oh, shoot. You gotta use some of that hand sanitizer when that happens. Because, yeah, I don't want to get snot on my freaking keyboard. Shoot. Oh my god. Anyways, what is your actual username? There's your username. I'm gonna put the value in there. And then the key, I think, is your actual API key. I just want... Oh my god. Oh my god. Tweet response. Excuse me. I don't want to get just a single user. I want to get multiple tweets by the same user. That's like what I'm trying to do right now. Okay. Oh. Haha. Look. I found something. Okay. So, I'm gonna go to REPL.it. I don't know why I just did that, but we're gonna go to REPL.it and just use this IDE for now. What we're gonna do is we're going to copy all of this. Cause yeah, this is what we need. And it said on line 36, there's a spelling error. Wait, line 36 here is what? Oh wait, no, they fixed it. Okay. It doesn't look like that would have even been a typo that affects the tweet. Okay. Now, this is the stuff that I gotta input. Okay, so now we're gonna do this in the second screen here. I wish there was a way that I could just block out information on screen. If somebody knows how to do that, let me know. And please walk me through it so I know how to do that, because, yeah. I would like to do that because I want to give you guys everything I can, and it's not very productive if I keep having to move everything back and forth, back and forth. And then not only is it not productive, I can't show you some of the code, so that sucks. Alright, we're gonna regenerate that. We're gonna copy that one. Put that access secret there. Wait, no. Dang it. It regenerates each, like if you click off of it, you can't actually get the access key and the access secret again. So like, if you accidentally close it like I have the past 2 times, you can't actually copy shit. It's annoying. And this is why it's stupid. Anyways, let's run it. Let's see. It is running in the background now. I can bring it back because everything that I put everything in, but yeah. Oh. Well, I'll regenerate, whatever. I already had to do it like 3 times already, but it's fine. Regenerate. Because, yeah, I accidentally showed that, and if one of y'all are crafty enough, you'll pause it right at the right time, and I don't need that, so thanks, but no thanks. They are hella long, though. Like, insane in length. Okay. Regenerate this as well. Copy that. Oh. Excuse me, sorry, y'all. It's a combination of the soda and the food. Because the food was spicy. Like, when my body is not ready for spice, it does this weird thing where it sounds like, where I feel like I'm gonna hiccup and burp, but it also feels like I might throw up, but I know I'm not gonna throw up. It's weird. It's just weird. But yeah. Alright. Cool. Okay. So, get all tweets only allows us access to the most recent 32 or 3,200 tweets. Cool. Sneaks in from out of nowhere to say hi and wave. Hi and wave. Oh, shoot. Let's see. Make initial request for most recent tweets. 200 is the maximum allowed cunt. I almost said a really bad word by accident. And I'm sorry. Yeah. Count. Can y'all tell I'm tired? Because, like, my pronunciation and, like, my just everything just goes out the window when I'm tired. It's great. Yeah. You got it. You're back. Hey. Just in time to almost hear me say a terrible word. Oh, shoot. That subsequent request to max ID param to prevent duplicates. Save most recent, update ID, transform the tweepy tweets into to-do array that will populate CSV. Write to the CSV file. If name is main, pass the username of the account. Okay. Huh. Jeffree Star. We all know he's quiet recently. Python, right? Yeah. The burger place was busy. Oh, that sucks. Did you at least get some food? Or were you able to get some food? Hey! Oh, this is gonna take some time. Let's see. Oh, shoot. So, we got all of our tweets into a CSV. Let's see if this actually works. Dude! What the heck? Okay, so now, I got food now. I need to eat it. Ah. You and me both, friend. But do you guys see this? I literally just found code to download all the tweets into a CSV file. So now I have a CSV file for Python, which is pretty dang good. What is this? What is this link that Donald Trump has tweeted out? Because I'm just curious. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so anything that is... Yeah. I am working on TensorFlow. I'm working on TensorFlow. Done PyTorch. Nice. I'm gonna try TensorFlow. I'm just kind of trying to get my crap together because I've been doing a lot of researching and trying to learn and all of this, and I just haven't got my crap together. So that being said, getting it all together includes me actually... Yes, delete that file. Is me just getting the tweets together and then going from there, going on and training a model and all of that. So let's go on and take a look at the Python though, because I do want to take a look at it and kind of read into it, which, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna regenerate my key again. And what I'm going to do is I'll show my API keys here, which if I already regenerated them, they're not going to work. So these were just the old ones from like a couple of seconds ago. There's new ones now. So we're importing Tweepy. What is Tweepy? Is that a Twitter? An easy to use Python. Oh my god. This is what happens when I'm tired. Maybe I'll actually be able to sleep tonight. What a concept. Words are hard, yes. Words are very hard. Sentences and words and just everything is a little hard for me. So I just want to take a look at all this because I'm going to hop off here in probably the next couple of minutes. I don't know, pretty soon because I'm tired. I want to finish this taco. I want to sit down and eat sit down and eat. I'm already sitting down and eating, but I kind of want to chill for the rest of the night because like I said, I've done a lot. So anyways, so let's go look on the docs. They have a Discord, by the way, y'all. Y'all are interested. Okay. So, introduction. set up rolling with Tweepy. So download your home timeline tweets and print each one of their texts to the console. Twitter requires all requests to use OAuth for authentication. The authentication tutorial goes into more details. Yeah, whatever. I don't really care. Excuse me. When we invoke API methods, most of the time returned back to us will be a Tweepy model class for class instance. This will contain data returned from Twitter, which we can then use inside of our app. So for the following, for example, the following code returns to us as a user model. Excuse me, get user, which we already have experience with down here at the very bottom, get all tweets. But I guess instead of get user, it's get all tweets. Print user, print follow, okay. Cool. Hey. Olive. Quit it. Come here. Sorry about that, y'all. Somebody must be making some noise outside. I was checking to see if my camera's still alive as well, because, yeah. Olive. Olive. Don't. Hey. Alright. Let's see. Streaming with Tweepy? What? Twitter streaming API by handling authentication connection, creating. Yeah, I'm from Texas. Definitely from Texas. I'm actually about an hour north of Austin. Oh, dope. Where are you at? I'm like an hour north of Austin. I was in Houston quite some time ago. Okay, dope. I actually I moved there from Virginia. My dad was in the Marines for 23 years, and in 2006 he got out. They had a house up, him and my uncle had a house up in Dallas Fort Worth, and yeah, we moved. That's where we moved after he retired. So I've actually lived in that area as well. So dope. That's awesome. Do you stream as well? Yeah, sounds good. Thank you for swinging by. I'm probably gonna end it here in the next like 15 minutes or so. I'm just not feeling it tonight. I'm sorry, y'all. We had a very productive call yesterday though, and a lot of good information was shared. So I'll be taking a look at that further. Well, good to see another Texan. Yeah, for sure. You too. Let me know like what's up. I would love to maybe do a collab with you or something later. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm new to all of this. I don't know where I want to go with it, but I think it would be dope to like pair program with people or start pair programming with people on live stream. I'm been trying to convince David, which is somebody I pair program with a lot, to hop on live stream with me and just pair program, and we just play around with something. I don't know, but yeah. I don't know. Streamers. Oh, okay. Aw, thank you. I appreciate it. Women Who Code. Yeah, I need to start getting active in the community, but again, I'm like an hour north of Austin. So the town I live in, it's a tiny little hick town. It's like it's perfectly halfway in between Fort Worth and like Houston. It's about 2.5 hours from each. And then it's an hour from Austin. So it's like kind of right in the middle of everything. So I need to figure out like little online virtual communities, but I'm trash at that too. I'm not very social like I am, but I'm not. Yeah, for sure. Kimberly Codes. All right, perfect. I'll follow you later. Oh, good. Perfect. I will definitely check into that for sure, because I'm always looking for a good way to connect to people and promote myself and promote programming. because, yeah, why not? I love programming, and I want to help people understand it and learn it and love it. So yeah, for sure. All right, perfect. Thank you. Yeah, it's my username is either like Kiska Sanchez or The Life of Kiska. It's one of the two. Like on all my socials. So I'll follow you, and yeah, it'll just depend on it. It'll have my name in the username. Olive, yogurt, quit it. Stop. Y'all were quiet all day. And now when I'm doing something and I have the mic on, y'all are acting a fool. Why? You ain't got no reason, so then you shouldn't be doing it then, right? No, last time you came up, you tried to eat my food. Sit. Good girl. Ay. Social media, seafoons. Seafilms. Let me copy that. I'll add that, and I'll follow you. I think I saw you follow me on Instagram. I'm sorry. I'll see that people follow me, and then I just don't remember, or I just don't click follow back. It's weird. I don't know why. Also, relatable contact. You have 3 dogs. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have 2 dogs, Olive and Yogurt, and then I have 2 cats, Milo and Odin. Which Odin is asleep on the chair that I usually sit on, and Milo is probably hiding somewhere. He's probably trying to stay away from the dogs. You have a corgi named Odin? Ah, that's adorable. And Odin is my orange tabby. So that's adorable. Oh, gosh, that's so cute. And then I actually think Yogurt is part corgi. Believe it or not. I think she's like a corgi lab mix, because she's like the height and length of a corgi, and she has so much fur. Like, it's so much more fur than just a lab. Just a lab's coat. Like, I've had labs basically my entire life, and their fur is always thick, but it's not as thick as hers. But yeah, sounds like a corgi. Yeah, she's short, she's long, but she has all the features of a lab, and the floppy ears. Hi, Yogurt. Yes, I'm talking about you. And I'm thinking maybe she was corgi and golden retriever. I don't know. But she has like this really weird, I call it her skunk stripe down her back. And then when I got her, she only had like spotting on her ears, and she was all white. So as she's gotten older and I've given her baths, I tell people she's developed, because her hair down the middle of her back just got dark. And it looks like she just has a little skunk stripe now. It's adorable. And yes, Odin's son. No, but his name's not Odin's son. It's just Odin. But he is Odin, and he is a son. Get it? Get it? Boom. I hate myself too, okay? Oh, shoot. Okay, so streaming. Destroying the session, reading incoming messages, and partially routing messages. This page. Streaming using Twitter streams with Tweepy, offering a first walkthrough. Some of the features of Tweepy streaming are not covered here. Okay. Hey, now you guys are moving my camera. Stop it. Go. Tosh, short for Macintosh. I love it. And Odin and Tia's, who's a German Shepherd, and Malanese. Oh, those are gorgeous dogs. German Shepherds and a Malanese. The Malanese dogs, my parents signed up for, my parents signed up. Oh yeah, I bet. German Shepherds and Malaneses, they're very high energy and very smart dogs. So if they're not stimulated mentally and physically, they just will get in the most trouble they can possibly find. I had a friend who had a German Shepherd, and she always would tell me about him. His name, quit it. His name was Archer. She spins in circles. She's just trying to create a little vortex. It's fine. A vortex of love. API authorization is required to access Twitter streams. I'm wondering if I could use this potentially for Twitch. The Twitter stream APIs. or API. Filter real-time tweets. Oh, okay, okay. I see. This is where I started. An infinite loop, exactly. And it only stops when she crashes, right? Oh shoot. Pushes messages to a persistent session. This would be cool. I might take a look into this later. And maybe I'll implement it here on my channel. That would be really cool. Streaming with Tweepy. She must have a very high functioning processor then. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh shoot. I tell people Tosh has a quad core processor. Yes. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh shoot. I have this innate just hate for myself when I say a pun because it's cringy and it's cringe-worthy. So, yeah. I'm just like, I hate myself. I can't believe I just said that. But I find it so funny. And then I'm just like, Kiska, why do you find this so funny? It's stupid, but that's why I find it funny, because it's stupid. And then it's cute, but yeah. Humor. Am I right? Oh, shoot. Alright. So... Alright, so let me see. CSV. I just want a documentation. There we go. Alright. I just want... Okay. Because I'm gonna have to edit this. This here. I'm gonna have to edit this to get just the tweet. And it looks like... Excuse me. Let's go back to his page. So, sorry, exclamation points. Does it say all of it? Or does it cut off? Oh. I wonder if I put this in. Oh wait, I just did Command C. Let me Command B. Let's see. So each one of these has a link. If it's too long, it has a link to the actual tweet. So we don't really want that. Why does it do that? I wonder if it has something to do with the CSV. Let's go take a look. Alright, get all tweets, screen name. Yep, all the OAuth, which by the way, again, I changed. Initialize the array all tweets, new tweets, user.timeline, screen name, assign screen name, count 200, all tweets, extend new tweets, oldest. Olive, quit it. Oldest, assign all tweets minus, or at position, -1, ID -1. Okay. If somebody knows what the syntax is here, right here, please let me know, because I don't like the way that looks. Yeah. Save the ID of the oldest tweets less one. I don't like that. But while length of new tweets is greater than 0, print getting tweets before blank oldest. Okay. So, right there. So, we're just saying, okay, like, just tell us what we're doing behind the scenes. The last one on that list. Got it. Okay. I've never seen it written like this before. Yeah, now she's just gonna, like, squeak her toy. Because she wants to play. At least she's not howling while she squeaks it. We'll see if we get to that position. Second to last. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. I guess that's a Python exclusive thing. Do you know if you can do that in any other languages? Because I've never seen it written like this before, but I also haven't been programming all that long. But yeah, I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. That's very useful. I'm in JS. Okay. Got it. Same. I'm actually, I was trying to use TensorFlow earlier for what I'm trying to get done, and I'm probably going to use it. It's just that all of this here, I think, is just image and webcam. So smart webcam and then images, if it wants to load. Yeah. Image classifier. So I think really what I need to do is I think I'm going to have to use Python because I'm going to be processing text. Because this is images and sounds. Classify baseball pitch types using Node. Enjoy a real-time piano performance by a neural network. That's dope. Explore pictures in a fun way, moving around. See how to visualize in browser training. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use Python for it because the way that they have this set up for TensorFlow JS, it doesn't allow text processing, it seems like. Which is fine. I'm already down to learn Python, so why not? I think that's what I'm just gonna have to do. But yeah. Yep. Alright, so let me go back here. Out tweets. Okay, so tweet.text. For all tweet and all tweets. Okay. Let me copy tweet.text. That has to be a... not CSV. Tweepy thing. Tweet.text. Okay. Yeah, so basically the concept here is to make, it's going to be a little bit of everything. It's going to be data science, machine learning, NLP, maybe deep learning. I'm not 100% sure. I'll know more when I get there. And then, yeah, databasing. So basically what we're planning on doing is we're planning on creating a Twitter translator. So basically it'll take user input from anybody on our web browser, and it will take that and say, you know, the use case we're doing right now is Donald Trump. So it'll take your tweet or whatever you want to say in Donald Trump's words and convert it to like a tweet, not a tweet from Donald Trump, but like convert it to something that Donald Trump would say. It should do that. So I don't know. So basically take this tweet for an example. I'm going to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not trying to talk politics. I'm not trying to talk nothing like that. I'm just purely looking at this right now and giving a use case. So say taking this for an example, say my user input was saying saying the Washington Monument, the Lincoln or Jefferson memorials will not be torn down or knocked down by radical or by anybody participating in protest, whatever. If you try, 10 years in prison. Say that's what I put in. It should come out with something along the lines like this. So, just fun. Because, yeah, why not? I have a feeling out tweets. Yeah, it'll be fun. So it has the ID, the time, the day and the time, and what the tweet actually is. So text here. So I need to see what twitter.text. Twitter.text. The first step for me is going to be twitter.text. The first step was just getting the data. The next step is now messing with that. Twitter.text. Tweepy. Okay. Here we go. So it returns this, which we're seeing as well. Alright. Instead of full text assigned true, you need tweet mode extended. Okay, so let's go in and redo that. And then I'll update my new full text. Hey, y'all. Olive. Sorry, they like to torture their brothers every once in a while. Oh, get on my nerves. Okay, so where are they saying that we add that? So new tweets assign API.user timeline screen name 200. Oh, okay. So it's just default right now as we have it. We need to add this here. Alright. And then, let's see. Then in order to get the full tweets text. Alright, so let me just not quit it, but let me just leave it as is for now. Let's see if this works. I'm going to update all my tokens and API keys and all that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go here in probably another 10 minutes or so because Olive is getting on my nerves and apparently she doesn't want me to be streaming today because she is making all this dang noise. But that being said, I am glad that I was at least able to get on here for like an hour hour and a half. Because yeah, positive peer pressure, y'all. It works. Definitely works. I did make a Discord room for my channel, so if you feel like you want to or if you feel like you want to be a part of my Discord room, go add yourself there. That would be great. I'm like to notify people when I'm going live on there, all of that good stuff. I think it's only me in the Discord room right now, but yeah. 19 more minutes. It's really like 25. Maybe I'll just do 25 more minutes and then I'll hop off and then we'll do 2 hours. I'll do that because yeah, why not? It's actually The Life of Kiska. So it should be on under my about on Twitch. Let me go grab it, my server and all that good stuff. Let me just go Discord. Wow, my camera is actually lasting pretty long today, y'all. I'm impressed. Typically, I would have had to change a battery by now. There we go. Alright, I'm finna drop an invite link in the chat. There it is. Feel free to hop on and say or do whatever you need or want. Just note, y'all, any negativity is not tolerated. My grandma, she commented on my post. She said, "Go for it," and it's a little sticker. So adorable. But yes. What was I saying? I can't remember. I can't remember, y'all. I'm sorry. That's about where my brain's at today. It's just kind of blech. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I am. Alright, so I'm running the program in the background. It's getting the tweets. Let's see. It's gotten... What? So did it... Why traceback most recent last call? File. Let me show you guys the error that I'm getting. Because I'm not on there. Or I don't have my keys in view. So traceback most recent call last. File main.py. Line 63 in module. Get all tweets. Let me bring up main py here and scroll down a little bit so my keys are just gone. So line 63. Line 50 and get all tweets here. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to do what they said. It's this here. Full underscore text. That's weird, but okay, let's try it. Let's appease them. It's just an extra word. Yeah. Okay, let's run it. Let's see. I think that's the only place I needed to add it. Bring this back over here. Status object has no attribute full text. So it's saying this here doesn't have full text or attribute of that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. Okay, so tweet mode extended. All tweets extend new tweets. Then, okay. To get the extended version of a tweet, you would do this here. And then full text. Okay, so API.user timeline. So let's go over here. Let's find user timeline. Okay. Screen name, assign screen name. Tweet mode extended, like I said. Tweet L. So you would say all tweets. New tweets. Okay. Max ID oldest. So do I have to do this here too? Oy, oy, oy. I might have to figure this out tomorrow because, yeah. Let's see. Okay. That worked. Boom. It worked. Ay, ay, ay. Yep, that worked. Thank you. I appreciate it. I didn't really do much. It was mostly Stack Overflow. Olive, yogurt. Y'all. Leave him alone. They're over there getting on Milo. Alright, cool. So now we have a CSV for the project. Cool. Right? I mean, shoot, I don't even have a degree in CS, and I'm here literally learning from Stack Overflow. Olive, yogurt. Hey. Ay, ay, ay. These dogs, y'all. Olive, yogurt, quit it. Oh. There you are. Girl! You got, freaking Blake O'Connelly to follow you? How'd you manage that? He's cool, I like him. I had a live call with him through the course I'm in. He was passing information to us. I have no idea. Girl, it's probably because you're pretty. Because you are pretty. But anyways, just stalked your Instagram page a little bit. But it's fine. You know. C Films. There he is. Aw, shucks. I know. I try to be nice. I try to be nice. Olive, yogurt. I like giving compliments. I just don't really... I like giving compliments. I just feel awkward when I get them, if that makes sense. I used to be a photographer. Oh, okay, nice. I'm actually a furloughed hairstylist right now. Olive, yogurt, quit it. I'm a furloughed hairstylist right now, and I have yet to hear back from my salon of when I'm supposed to go back. I don't think it'll be anytime soon, at all. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm sending a quick message to my group to let them know I have a CSV of, Donald Trump's tweets. To Okay, cool. No way, sorry to hear that, but it's cool you're doing this. Thanks. Yeah, I've actually programmed in Java, C++, and assembly language in the past. I was going to school to be a CS major, but I did biomedical engineering and CS. I got accepted into Texas A&M. Whoop. Anyways, found out that I absolutely hated biomedical engineering, and my GPA wasn't good enough to transfer into computer science. So, oh, your parents are Aggies. Awesome. Tell them I say gig 'em. But I just dropped out because I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I went home, I worked, and then yeah, I just was like, I need to get a degree of some sort, and I went back to school last year for cosmetology. I got licensed in the state of Texas for cosmetology, do some hair. Mine's kind of nappy right now. I took a shower earlier. I just need to go get a cut, and I need some color in my hair, but I don't want to go into the salon unless I have to work because of the way COVID is right now in Texas. Excuse me, the virus. Let me just pull up something here. 65 the way through it. Dropped out this spring. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm trying to. It's just that with me, it's a little bit hard because I have an associate's degree and I have a minor in math and computer science, but it's been hard for me to find somebody to take a chance on me. Just because I don't have a lot of experience. So, it's an uphill battle. Oh, my camera finally died. Wow. We went about an hour and 45 minutes without me having to change a battery in my camera. That's impressive. I'm going to put a little dot on this one to make sure I know that it's one that lasts longer than the others. Because that's actually pretty good. I've been having to change out my camera my battery every hour, but whatever. Okay, for sure. Women who code. Okay, cool. I'll definitely check them out. Probably a little later. I'll probably do it on my phone while I'm sitting down on the couch, kind of edging out to Naruto, But yeah, this is how Texas is sitting. We added that many cases today. Or yesterday. Oh god. I don't understand why we just don't close again. Like, I'm pretty sure that's not accurate either. Oh well, no, it is, because that was 4th of July and it was like right before the big spike. I have tech job. Have you had somebody look over your resume? Because sometimes it can be your resume, not saying that you don't know how to write one, but sometimes like that does happen. It could be something on your resume that you just didn't catch, but yeah. Texas, get to your girl, right? I'm so over Abbott right now. He should have closed this dang state down the other day. Shit. He should have done it before 4th of July. You've had multiple people look over your resume? Okay. Lillian, I don't know. Where have you been applying and how have you been applying? Alright, we have about 10 minutes. Alright, I'm really stretching to hit that 2-hour mark today. Really stretching for it. Sorry, today, maybe I'll just look up women who code now, so I don't forget about it. Also, my job posting online. Okay. Are you submitting a portfolio, or do you have like a link to your portfolio on your resume? we've reached 100 messages in the Restream chat. Sorry, I don't want my personal email out there. I would rather not get spammed. But I mean, it'll probably get out there one day. Somebody will probably find it. But whatever. Oh, whoops. I forgot to accept the terms and conditions. I just recently created GitHub and developed my own website. Is your website the only website that you have? And what is it? Is it like a blog website? Is it an e-commerce website? Do you have your projects, like your little projects, you know, like a calculator or a guess the number game linked to that website, or how is your website set up? At gmail.com. And also creating a GitHub is a great first step, because a lot of people will go to your GitHub and check your repos. It's another thing I need to do, practice what you preach, but you know. Why does YouTube send me an email when I'm live? YouTube sends me an email saying, oh, you're live on your account. I'm like, hello, yes, I know I'm live on my account. Thank you for stating the obvious, YouTube. Like, why? My website is dated. Okay. That was the website that you sent me earlier, correct? That I was taking a look at. I think that's the one. Is that the only website that you've ever created? Is that the only project that you have? I mean, I don't know for sure what people are looking for recruiter-wise, but I do know that having portfolio is a huge step in getting that first interview. From a friend. Database. Okay. Well, what I would recommend then is getting together, if you don't already have one, getting together a conglomerate of just websites, a place that you can link on your resume for people to check out. Check out Linktree. That's actually what I personally use. Give me a second. So all you gotta do is host your projects. And since you're on GitHub, you can host on GitHub pages for 100% free. And then all you gotta do is link those pages to the Linktree if they're not already hosted. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I guess I asked my computer to do too much at one time. I'm finna drop the info in the chat. But yeah, check this out. It might be a good way to get started. Excuse me. Okay, I guess it didn't get posted to YouTube, but whatever. But yeah, it might be a good way to get started and just have a version 1 of your portfolio, and then maybe make a version 2 of your portfolio that's an actual website. I don't know, that kind of showcases it. I don't know. Through a machine learning. Oh, okay. There's not a lot of that doing. There's a lot that are. Okay, cool. That's good. That's good to know. I'll definitely have to take a look on who's doing what and when they're doing it, because I'm definitely interested. I made it 2 hours. Yay! We're almost there. We're there. Woo! It was a smallish meetup, so I ended up talking to the CTO of it. Wow. Music therapy. Oh, geez, that's awesome. I love it. Yeah, networking. I've noticed that it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. That's something I noticed when I was real young. That's why I try to make connections with people and establish and maintain connections. I'm not always the best at doing so, but I definitely have noticed that networking is a huge thing in just any job industry, period. But yeah, also, see films, go on and check out that link tree that I sent. Oh dang, look at you. Yeah, check out the link tree I sent. If you don't have like a hub for all of your projects, all you gotta do is literally just give the button name a title and then link your project and you're good to go. I mean, you could probably even make something. Wow. Come to think of it, you could probably even make that yourself and then host that on a page that takes them to your page for your portfolio. I mean, I don't know why you would want to do that, just because it's Linktree and Linktree is already established, and you don't have to pay for hosting it. But anyways, besides the point, you could program that if you wanted to. That would be cool. It just would take a little DOM manipulation. Not too bad. But yeah. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let me see what Twitch has me clocked at. They have me clocked at 1:56, so I'm gonna stay on a little bit longer. Because I don't want to cut myself short of 2 hours. But anyways, you know. I work at McDonald's. I love it. Somebody followed me on Twitch with the name I work at McDonald's. I'm like, I love you. I do have a LinkedIn. It's actually in my link tree. So let me grab my link tree so you guys can actually see what I've done. If I think the link tree website is like slowly killing my computer right now, because it had animations on the homepage, and like, even though this computer has a decent processor, sometimes this computer is trash. So I just dropped my link tree in the chat. It is going to take you to like a hub for my portfolio. I use it as my portfolio. The Google Maps challenge button in there is actually the project I won second place with in the 5-day challenge with Profit with JavaScript. Again, if y'all want to sign up for that, it's in the link. I have a link to sign up for it somewhere, like above, below, this way, that way, wherever. Vogue. But anyways, it's somewhere around there. If you guys want to sign up for it, I do recommend it. It has an amazing community. Like, I keep saying this, but I've met so many people through this that I wouldn't have otherwise met, and it's given me purpose during this whole illness situation. So that being said, I do really appreciate it, and I appreciate the opportunity that I've been given. But anyways, back to the point. The Google Maps challenge button is actually what I won second place with. It only searches for Starbucks in the like LA area, because that's the data that they gave us. So don't expect it to search your area because it won't. But yep. Is my COVID tracker on there? Because I do have a tracker for the illness. I keep saying like the name and then the illness and then the name. No, I don't. But I do have that hosted on my GitHub if anybody wants to check that out. I don't have my GitHub linked there, but my GitHub is KMSAN913. Alright, actually. Okay. I don't know what just happened, but something happened with my REPL. Oh, frick. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyways, it looks, I sent you a connection on LinkedIn. Perfect. I appreciate it. I'm going to actually go check my LinkedIn soon. Haven't been on it in a hot minute, so I'll be accepting your connection here in a little bit. Probably when I go sit down on the couch to just unwind for the day, I'll be on my phone and I'll do that. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to go on and hop off for the night. We hit the 2-hour mark. I'm just extremely tired. I don't know what's going on, but I shouldn't say I don't know what's going on. I know what's going on. I'm just exhausted from carrying like 30 pounds of freaking clothes up and down the stairs because I'm literally garbage because I can't go to the laundromat more than once every 3 to 4 weeks. But anyways, y'all have a great night. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me and bearing with me today. I will be live again tomorrow. I am going to do earlier than I have been. I think I'm going to probably hop on around like 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., somewhere like that. 12 p.m. I work in rock, so I lift buckets of rocks. Oh gosh. Yeah, you have more of an excuse to be tired than I do. I don't exert myself physically very much. But, yeah, I have plans for tomorrow night, so I'm gonna try to go live, like, probably as soon as I wake up. I'll be just drinking coffee, drinking my cold brew, and eating my oatmeal, my overnight oats. And, yeah, just programming. So, if y'all are interested, come back tomorrow. Either I'll be working on this or my presentation. I feel like I probably need to work on my presentation for my next YouTube video because now we're going to be adding it to the course. So, anyways, y'all have a great rest of your night. Thank you for bearing with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.